Welcome to today's video. So today it's a new question on blood relations. So let's go to the question. Given below are the details of relationships between four persons A, B, C and D. A is the daughter of B, B is the son of C, C is the father of D. Which of the following statements are true? Option A, C is the uncle of A. Option B, B and D are brothers. Option C, A is the daughter of D. And option D, if P is the daughter of B, then A and P are sisters. Okay, so now let's draw based on the information given. It is given like A is the daughter of B. Okay, so B is there and A is the daughter of B. So A is a female and B is the son of C. So B is a male. Now C is the father of D. So B and D are siblings. We cannot say brothers because we don't know the gender of D. So we know that B and D are siblings and C is the father means C is a male. Now let's see which of the following statements are true. First it is given C is the uncle of A. No, C is not the uncle of A because C is the grandfather of A. So statement A is not true. Second statement is B and D are brothers, but we don't know the gender of D. So we cannot tell like B and D are brothers. B and D are siblings only. Now third one is A is the daughter of D. No, it is also wrong because A is the daughter of B. It is directly given A is the daughter of B. So statement C is also wrong. Now statement D, if P is the daughter of B, then A and P are sisters. If P is the daughter of B, okay, so P is the daughter of P, it is given, then A and P are sisters. Yes, that's a true statement because we already know A is the daughter of B. So P is also a daughter of B. So A and P are sisters and gender of both A and P are known. So we can say that statement D is true. So what can be inferred from the given statements? So this is a type of inference question. Okay. So just draw the diagram and infer whether the given statements are true or not. So here all this pictorial representation is the key. Now again a second question from this same. So the three statements are given. A is the daughter of B, B is the son of C, C is the father of D. So which of the following statements is contradictory to the given statements? A, D is the father of A, B, C has 3 children, C, A has 1 brother, D, A is the granddaughter of C. So again let's draw once more. A is the daughter of B. Okay. So A is the daughter of B. B is the son of C and C is the father of D. So all these details are given. So this is the same diagram that we drew for the first question. So D is the father of A. D is the father of A is a contradictory statement because it's already given like B is the father of A. So D cannot be the father of A. Now let's go to other statements too just to understand the question. C has 3 children. So it is possible. It is not contradictory to the given statements because one more child can be here. So it is not contradictory. A has 1 brother. That is also possible. It is not given like A is the only child. So A has 1 brother is also not contradictory. A is the granddaughter of C. That is a true statement. So A, option A, D is the father of A is the contradictory statement because it is directly given in the question like A is the daughter of B. So A cannot be the daughter of D or D cannot be the father of A. So option A is our answer. Now for third question, we are just drawing here once more. So the question is, if P is the son of B, P is the son of B, okay. So P is the son of B and P has 1 brother Q. P is having 1 brother Q. Then A is the sister of Q. Yeah, A is the sister of Q is true only. So 1 will be true here. Now again Q and B are brothers. No, Q and B are not brothers. Okay, Q will be the son of B. So Q and B cannot be brothers. And C is the grandfather of Q. Yes, C is the grandfather of A and Q is the brother of A. From this diagram it is evident like Q is a brother of A and C is the grandfather of A. So C is also the grandfather of Q. So 1 and 3 will be our answer. So option D will be correct. So all these kind of questions are inference questions, very important. For all this you just have to draw the diagram systematically and you have to infer. For more aptitude, logical reasoning and vocabulary videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.